Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me, but this time it is in my monthly pages, and today we're going to be using the November geometric. I love this. This is probably my favorite monthly kit that we have in the shop. So I'm going to go ahead and put this away. And then we have this first page. So you have the sidebar, the covers for the weekdays, the strips for the dates, and then these boxes. And then you also get the second page, which looks like this. So these are for the bottom of the pages, and then you have Beetlejuice, a few script stickers, and then some lines down here that you can use if you're blocking off days. So let me go ahead and start right away with the strip. So this is in my glossy paper from the shop, paperjoyph.com. Just gonna line it up here, and that is what it looks like, and it already transforms this blank page, and it's gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and put down the strips, or rather the bottom bars. I'm gonna put this down here and just line it up. Here you go. So you just line it up with the last line, and then I'm gonna do the same for the left side of the page. So it is fitted for this part. Oh no, oh no. Okay, thank goodness. So my glossy paper, oh goodness gracious. My glossy paper is fit for fountain pen use. So if you are using a fountain pen in your planner, in your Hobonichi, then this is the finish for you. There you go. Fixed it. And this is what it looks like. This is what we have so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this day strip, days of the week strip, and put it up here. I love this kit because it's so pink with a touch of purple and a touch of blue. Then I'm going to do the same for the right side of the page. There you go. And we are almost done. No, just kidding. Jokes. And there you go. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the date strips, which is the most difficult part because it's very time consuming. But if you're doing this like on your own and it's like a me time thing, it's very therapeutic. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this strip. It doesn't have any dates on it because look, there's no dates on here. There you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this part. We also have another version of the monthly kit that is called Cute, and I also have a plan with me using that kit in my other Hobonichi weeks. So this Hobonichi weeks is for shop as well as for home. And the other one that I have, the other Hobonichi weeks I have, is for school because I do have a lot of school stuff. So basically all non-school goes in here. And here we go, last one. So this is the last strip for this side of the page. I'm going to go ahead and do the left side. I'm going to have the 2019 monthlies up in geometric also soon for Black Friday. So make sure to visit the shop for Black Friday. We will have all of the monthlies for all the books up for grabs on Black Friday. The shop will also be on a 20% shop-wide sale. So make sure to head on over. If it's not 20, then it'll be at least 15. And that is what we have. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this strip and put it up here. That should be where it goes. And then for here, I'm going to take this blue strip. No, blue box. And that's how it looks like. So pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take this box and put it on the first, because this is a holiday for us. In this country, the 1st and the 2nd of November are holidays. Well, actually, it's supposed to be the 31st and the 1st. So the 31st of October, as well as the 1st of November, because it's All Souls Day or something. I keep forgetting to look it up. I used to know that by heart. So I'm going to go ahead and put Build You here, because this is my home planner. So bills go here. We have a few subscriptions that will be due on the 26th. This is for Shopify. Then I'm going to put payday down. It's probably going to be on the 12th. Oops. There. So the script stickers are tiny so that you can utilize the entire thing. I'm going to have a deadline. I'm going to put it on the 5th. And then Happy Day is on the 16th. Ooh, it's a Friday. This is my monthsary with my fiance. Keep calling him boyfriend. He's not anymore. He's an ex. It's a fiance now. Do I need to put in any more? Nope. I guess we are done. So here is my monthly page for November. And this is the empties. There you go. This one and this one. I'm still gonna keep this because there's still some stuff that I want to put down later in the week, I guess, at least next week. So this is gonna live here. I do that for all my monthlies, and I'm gonna show you up close. It's so pretty. In hindsight, I should have flipped this so that it goes from pink, purple, blue, blue again, purple, and pink. But oh well, it's down. I've already laid it down, so that is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And we are also on Facebook as well as on Instagram. They are both paperjoyph, and please join our Facebook group, which is paperjoyph Planning World. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye!